Apple cinnamon rolls. First, peel the apples and cut them into small cubes. Add the sugar to a pan. Once the sugar has melted, add the apples, butter, cinnamon, cornstarch, water, and cook everything for 10 to 15 minutes. Then let it cool. In a bowl, add the egg, milk, butter, sugar, yeast, and salt, and mix. Then add the flour and knead for about 10 to 15 minutes. Grease a bowl with oil, transfer the dough, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise for an hour. Roll out the dough into a rectangle. Spread the apple filling over the entire surface and roll it tightly. Cut the roll into 8 to 12 pieces. Arrange them in a baking dish, cover with a towel, and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Place the dish in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Prepare the cream for the rolls. In a bowl, mix the butter, cream cheese, sugar, and vanilla sugar. When the rolls are ready, serve them with cream and caramel sauce if desired. Bon appetit!